Good morning students, welcome back to EV's class. I hope all are good. Dear students, these days we are studying about public properties. Okay, so let us continue that. So today we can learn about public libraries. Public libraries. Students, you know already these public libraries are storehouses of knowledge. Storehouse of knowledge. Okay students, storehouse of knowledge because it contains many type of books and other objects. Okay, so we get knowledge from these books. Okay students, books and objects that enrich our mind because we can increase our knowledge through these books. Okay students, we get knowledge. At the library we must be silent. Okay students, we keep the rules in the library. We must be silent in the library because many people are coming these places to read these books. Okay, very valuable books are there. Then students, be careful while turning the pages. We do not spoil these books. Okay, we do not spoil it or tear it. Okay, be careful while turning the pages. Understand students? Then we must not write or scribble down. Okay, we must not. वो जब स्कूल का लाइब्रेरी हो कहीं का भी हो तो उसमें स्क्रबल नहीं करना, कुछ लिखना नहीं है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? कीप इट क्लीन. देन बी केयरफुल while turning the pages. We do not spoil or tear the pages. Okay students? Then keep in good condition for the next person to read. Okay students? These books we keep in a good condition for the next person to read. दूसरा जो लोग जब आता है उनको भी ये रीड करना है. तो जो पेजेस है लाइब्रेरी में हम जब जाता है वो अच्छे से संभालना. ओके स्टूडेंट, दूसरे लोगों के लिए उसको अच्छे से रखना. नाउ म्यूजियम्स. ओके, म्यूजियम्स ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच आर ऑफ साइंटिफिक, आर्टिस्टिक और हिस्टोरिकल इम्पोर्टेंस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मीन्स many famous things are there. Many traditionally means it is also a storehouse of knowledge. Okay students, scientifically, culturally, religiously, then historical importance भी many type of things are there. Inventions are there. Okay, बहुत पहले जो लोग invent किया हुआ है ऐसे things हैं. Then historical importance things are there. Artistic जो लोग बनाए हुआ जो भी पिक्चर्स है, many things are there. Handicraft means many type of handicraft items are there. Understand students? Scientific items are there. It is good for research for students. Students जो research करना है वो म्यूजियम में आता है ये सब पढ़ने के लिए. Scientifically, then historically, culturally, religiously. Okay, many art crafts are there. Understand students? Then we learn so much from them. Okay, it is also a storehouse of knowledge. We learn many things from these objects, from these things. Okay students? Then we must not touch or damage it. We do not want to touch that. Okay, when you go to the museum, we can see these things. Okay, we can enjoy or we can learn from these things. ये क्या क्या है scientifically किसने invent किया है? What is this? Okay, we can learn from that, but we do not want to touch that or damage that. Then take care of them and permit people to see them. Take care of them and permit people to see them. Okay students, इसको हम care करना है. Then permit other people to see them. We should allow other people to see them because it is very valuable things. Okay, many knowledge are there. Okay students, then other people जब ये देखेगा तब वो increase हो जाएगा. Understand students? They can grow through these objects. Otherwise अगर कोई देखेगा नहीं तो अंदर ऐसे कोई देखेगा नहीं तो किसी को पढ़ नहीं पाएगा. Understand students? So दूसरों लोग जब knowledge बढ़ेगा तो ये सब जाकर देखना चाहिए. Understand students? Okay. Now monuments. Okay, let us learn about monuments. Historical places are the means old buildings. Okay, means buildings that have been made by emperors, kings. जो ब्रिटिश लोग बना हुआ है हमारा उधर बहुत सारा buildings है. Okay students, then they are part of our heritage. Okay students, they have means we are proud of them. It is they are historically, traditionally Okay, they are historical buildings. Many peoples from various countries are coming to see these monuments because of their beautiful art and crafts. Understand students, बहुत लोग अच्छे से जो बना हुआ चीज़ है, okay, with stone works, marble works, okay. Did you see this? Have you ever seen Taj Mahal? Very beautiful building. Lotus Temple, Raj Mahal, Palace of Akbar. Many beautiful things are in our country. Understand student, in many states. दूसरा जो स्टेट में जाएगा तो बहुत सारे monuments are there. Okay students, okay. Then they are part of our heritage. Understand students? Then government spends lakhs of rupees to preserve them and keep them clean. Government क्या करता है? Spends lakhs of rupees to preserve them. Understand students? Because these are our valuable buildings, historical buildings. We earn money through these buildings. We get foreign money. जो मॉन्यूमेंट्स है वो देखने के लिए फॉरेनर्स बहुत आता है. तो इंडिया को क्या मिलता है? द गवर्नमेंट मीन्स द इंडिया कैन अर्न मनी मीन्स फॉरेन मनी. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? सो गवर्नमेंट स्पेंड्स लाख ऑफ रुपीज टू प्रिजर्व देम एंड कीप देम clean. Students, whenever you go to the shop, you can, when you buy some things, you can see at the bottom of the packet, you can see a tags are there. When we pay the taxes, it is for the government to preserve these places, to these buildings. Okay students, to maintain it, okay, preservation of to these buildings and cleaning. Okay, the historical monuments are beautiful and tourist places. Okay, I told you they are very beautiful monuments. Okay, many type of beautiful works are there. Understand students? जो लोग पुराना लोग हैं, जो previous generation, okay students, जो बना हुआ very beautiful stone work, marble work, other type of many type of beautiful places है ये. Understand students? So tourists are interested to come these places to see these things. Okay, then they should be preserved so that everyone can enjoy them in future. Understand students? See, they should be preserved. ये preserve करके रखना चाहिए. Then students, so that everyone can enjoy them in future. Future में बहुत लोगों को ये देख के enjoy हो सकता है. Understand students? Because they are our, means we proud of them. They are our heritage. Okay, part of heritage. Then historical buildings. Okay, tourist people are interested to come these places. Understand students? Then students, we must take pride in looking after them. We must take pride looking after them. ये सब देखने के लिए हमें proud होना चाहिए. Because they are very valuable places. Understand students? They are very historical monuments. Okay, understand what I am saying? So students, these are our own properties. Okay, these are all our properties and we must take pride in looking after them. Understand students? ये सब देखने के लिए. Okay, then the government uses the taxes paid by all the people to do good work for the people. हम जो tax देता है, okay, when we give the tax, okay, when we buy the things, we have to give the taxes. Okay, so government क्या करता है? The government use the taxes paid by the bill paid by all the people to do good work. Okay, then many type of maintenance are there. Building maintenance. Okay students, then road maintenance, new roads are there, dams. Okay, for good work government ये सब के लिए use करता है. Also for the preservation of monuments. Understand students? Okay, now let us learn once again. Students, public libraries, storehouse of knowledge. Okay, books and objects that enrich our mind. Books are means full of knowledge are there. Many type of books are there. Understand students? Religious books are there, cultural books are there, then scientific books are there. Many type of books are there. It is good for school students especially, and other people also interested to read this. Understand? Through the stories. Okay, they are means these books are trying to help us to enrich our minds. Okay, students, we learn many things from these books. Then, at the library, we must be silent. Udhar jaake we must be silent because many people are coming these places. Understand, students? To learn from these books, to read these books. So we must be silent in the public libraries. Then, be careful while turning the pages. Be careful while turning the pages. Okay, we do not spoil this or tear these pages. Understand, students? Then we must not write or scribble them. Okay, इसमें कुछ नहीं करना. Keep clean. Then keep in a good condition for the next person to read. Keep in a good condition for the next person. Many people are coming to read this. Okay. Then museums. Understand, students? It is also a storehouse. Many means historical things are there, cultural things are there, religious things are there. Means historical importance जिसको है, then scientific inventions are there. Understand, students? So museums are very good institutions for the people, for the nation. Understand, students? Then objects which are of scientific, artistic, जो art craft है. Okay, students, or historical importance. Then we learn so much from them. Okay, students, उससे बहुत पढ़ने के लिए है. Then we must not touch or damage them. We do not want to touch them. Do not damage them because they are very important. Then take care of them and permit people to see them. Take care of them and permit people to see them. दूसरे लोगों को allow करना उसको देखने के लिए. Because growth of the knowledge. Understand, students? We get knowledge from them. Okay, then it is very valuable things. We can learn many things from that. Monuments, historical buildings, old buildings, okay, that made by emperors, kings and many people. Okay, historical peoples are there. Past generation है जो बना हुआ है. They are part of our heritage. Be proud of them. Okay, then government spends lakh of rupees to them and keep them clean. Understand, students? Because we get money through these buildings. Many tourist people are coming to see these buildings. It is our historical buildings. Understand, students? It is good for the development of our country. We get foreign money. Okay, students? Then historical monuments are beautiful and tourist places. Okay, I told you they are very beautiful. Okay, students? Tourist places are they should be preserved so that everyone can enjoy them in future. Okay, they should be preserved so that everyone can enjoy them in future. Understand, students? Then we must take pride looking after them. Understand, students? Okay. Now you can read the book, page number 350 and 351. Okay, students? Then you can read it and try to draw these monuments. Okay, very interesting and learn questions and watch videos. Okay, students? Good. Students, see the public library. They contain different type of books. Okay, students? They are storehouse of knowledge. Okay, see there many people are reading books. So, students, we must be silent in the libraries. Okay, students? Okay, good. Now, see the museum. Students, what is the purpose of museum? The purpose of museum is to collect, preserve, interrupt and display objects. See the objects, art and craft. Okay, students, of artistic, cultural and scientific significance for the education of the people, for the public. Okay, students, see ancient inventions. Okay, see the, what is the students? Weaving process of making clothes, okay, with the threads. It is also an ancient invention. Okay, students, see scientific museums. Skeleton are there. Okay, students. See the skeleton under the water. Okay, students. See the weapons. Different type of weapons are there. Statues are there. Okay, students. Art and craft works are there. See, beautiful. Sundial, old sundials are there. Okay, students? Good, good.